The magnetic abrasive finishing, or MAF, is a micro or nano finishing process. In this process, the granular magnetic abrasive particles are used in material removal. These magnetic abrasive particles are composed of two parts. One is a ferromagnetic material, just like iron or steel powder, and the other one is the abrasive grains, which are made up of aluminum oxide, silicon carbide, or diamond. Then, of course, a permanent magnet or an electromagnet is used in this process to magnetize these magnetic abrasive particles. The magnetic abrasive particles are of two types. One is a bonded magnetic abrasive particle and another one is unbonded type. In bonded, both the particles, that is a ferromagnetic particle and the abrasive particles, which are bounded each other by sintering process. But in the unbonded magnetic particles, actually these two particles are loosely held and these are mixed by mechanical mixing. The constructional details of the process is shown in this diagram, in which the workpiece is fixed between the two poles of a magnet, the north pole and south pole. The north pole is rotating one, and it can also provide the required feed for the machine. The south pole is fixed along with the workpiece, and both the south pole and work are kept stationary. The gap between the workpiece and the north pole of the magnet is filled with magnetic abrasive particles. In working of the system, the magnetic field is applied first, and by this magnetic field, the abrasive particles get magnetized. In working of the process, when we apply a magnetic field, the magnetic abrasive particles get magnetized, and these are aligned along the magnetic lines between the north and south poles like this, and it will forms a flexible magnetic abrasive brush, or otherwise it is FMAB, this portion. This brush behaves like a multi-point cutting tool, and it removes the material because this one is rotating. So this brush is also rotating, and by this rotation it removes the material in the form of microchips. That is shown in this picture. Due to the magnetic field, forces are acting on the magnetic abrasive particles, and this force has two components. One is Fx, and it is acting along the magnetic lines, that is this direction. So this is the Fx in all direction, in all lines. So in all magnetic lines, Fx is acting like this. And another component is Fy, which is acting along equipotential magnetic lines. That is equipotential magnetic lines that is at the same distance from this originating point of the magnetic flux. So if it is connected, it will be moving like this. So the force acting along this equipotential magnetic lines is the Fy component. And the Fx component is responsible because it is acting downwards. It is responsible for the penetration in the workpiece. And the Fy is acting, which is acting equipotential magnetic lines, and which is responsible for shear off of the material, because that is actually in a rotating fashion it is moving. So it is capable of shear off of the material, or otherwise it is capable of finishing. The magnitude of these machining forces are very low, and thus the MRR is also very low, but these are capable of producing mirror-like surface finish with RA values in the range of nanometers. The process parameters of MAF in connected to material removal rate is grouped in four main categories. That is, one is the flexible magnetic abrasive brush, which contains the size of particles, the shape of particles, mass fraction of abrasive, etc. Then second group is electromagnet, and it is it considers the number of coils, shape and size of material of magnetic poles, etc. Then the workpiece factor, that is the hardness of the material, initial work surface roughness, types, etc. Then the machining parameters. So the final group is the machining parameters, that is the working gap, finishing time, amplitude and frequency of vibration, supply voltage, and the RPM of electromagnet, etc. The application of MAF can be seen in area of cutting tools, that is generation or production of cutting tools, turbine blades, airfoils, optics, sanitary pipes, food industry, capillary tubes, needles, biopsy needles, etc., which are used in medical field, then covered pipes, etc. Thanks for watching.